the mutual fund data that came in yesterday has been pretty interesting, with the kind of inflows that we've seen into equity mutual funds, which have seen a good double-digit drop. But now let's understand what mutual funds bought and sold in February 2025. Somit joins us with the details. Somit, slice and dice this for us.
Well, yes, firstly, if you look at the sectors that mutual funds have added most exposure in the month of Feb, it includes a list of financials, metals and healthcare. These are the three sectors where mutual funds have added exposure. On the flip side, they have reduced their exposure when it comes to industrial, which is the capital goods stocks, IT, auto and auto ancillaries. IT had seen a sharp sell-off yesterday in trade, but before that, mutual funds had lowered their exposure toward these stocks. And the cash levels, if you look at for the mutual funds overall, it stood at higher at around 6.1% of the total asset under management, as against 5.6 that we had seen in the previous month. Now, if you look at the stock specific action in the large cap, mutual funds have added exposure to Samvardhana Motherson, Power Grid, Zomato, Varun Beverages and ITC. Now, do remember Feb was a month where we had seen a sharp decline in share prices of all these stocks, and mutual funds have used that as an opportunity to add more shares in this counter. On the flip side, they have sold Punjab National Bank, IOCL, Wipro, Power Finance Corporation and Bharat Electronics. When it comes to mid-cap space, they have added exposure in Vodafone Idea, Yes Bank, IDFC First Bank, HPCL and NHPC. So you can clearly see here the move coming in from a large cap IOCL to mid cap HPCL. Mid cap HPCL is coming in the buy list, while large cap IOCL is going in the sell list. On the sell side, when it comes to mid cap, it is Suzlon, Ola Electric, IndusInd Bank, NMDC and Holdco. These stocks are where mutual funds have reduced their exposure. And lastly, when it comes to the small cap stocks, mutual funds have added exposure in names like V-Mart, Bandhan Bank, Crompton Greaves Consumer, South Indian Bank and Piramal Pharma, while they have reduced their exposure in Samvardhana Motherson. This is the wiring company, City Union Bank, Manappuram, CSC and HCC.